Good morning. Welcome to my Phil's Gang YouTube channel. And of course, my Phil's Gang radio show that you get on my podcast. Now, this is Christmas week. Now, we're told that we'll always get a Christmas rally 5 days before Christmas. That starts tomorrow. And it ends 2 days after the first of the year. It's not going to happen. And I'm going to explain why. Santa's going to give us a bunch of coal in our stocking. He's not happy with the market, and I can't blame him. Because this market has been phony for 13 years. Oh, by the way, during this program, please hit subscribe, like, and share. Would really appreciate it. Now, this market for 18 or 13 years has been going up strictly with stimulus. 123 trillion in printed money stimulus to push the stock market up. The evidence I've given you many times. We've only, this market has dropped 47 weeks. 47 weeks since January 2022. It started to rally in October because he put in an artificial bottom, but it's not a bottom. Everybody's saying it is. It's not. Now, they're starting to rally this market, and it's only been up 13%. Are you kidding me? Now, if you go back in history at our 2018 crash, after going down 16 weeks, we were up 54%. Our 2020, after going down 5 weeks, we're up 133. We've gone down 47, we're only up 13. Now, think about that for a minute. We went down 47 weeks, we're up 13%. The last crash, we're down 5 weeks, up 133% after 5 weeks. Why? Because that rally had QE. They printed money, bought bonds, made sure they kept interest rates at zero. And when you keep those zero rates, boy, the market loves it, and tech stocks lead. All of that has stopped starting in November of 2021. So the market can't move. It's not going to move for a Christmas rally. Also, what Christmas? If you take a look at the consumer, he's dead. They pulled their money out of their savings went from 32 trillion during the pandemic down to 6 trillion, now at 500 billion. You take a look at their 401ks, they've stripping all the money out of their 401ks. We've never seen such emergency money coming out. And refis of homes are over. Banks here in my own town, Sarasota, laying off everybody that's in the refi department. So there's no more money. They went through it all because we don't have an economy. We're not growing an economy. We're growing debt. So the biggest problem we're going to have for this Christmas rally is, and I wouldn't worry about the witching. Everybody's worried about it on Friday, the last hour, the quadruple witching. Don't worry about that. It's not going to affect the little guy. That's already behind us. But with the housing market, refi, savings gone, it's over. We're not growing the economy. Here's the big one. The trade deficit came out last week, $125 billion record. What's that mean? That means manufacturers are not manufacturing goods and exporting them. Our deficit went up to $125 billion. That means we're not manufacturing anything. So you telling me we're going to have a Christmas rally? One more thing. You know, the pensions, I love the pension funds, how they play games during the year. Pension funds are obligated to have you set up with 50% pensions, 50% bonds, 50% stock. So they play games all year long, and they overweight stocks. Sometimes it goes down to 30% stocks. Well, now, this week here, they got to fix that. Got to bring it back to 50-50. There's going to be, what I researched, over $100 million that's going to be dumped in stocks to get back to the 50-50. Now, I don't want to sound pessimistic. I'm excited. Why? Because we're going to have one opportunity when this market goes down and we start shorting. You've got to learn how to short. Go to my gang, philsgang.com. Try it for 10 days where we'll give you the Pro 2 color-coded chart. It's never wrong. It tells you when to sell short, when to buy, all based on money flow. Not on stuff, not on rumors, not on garbage. Check it out, philsgang.com. So that's it. So that's our Christmas so-called rally. What rally? What are you,